culture and history, honoring the Santo Niño with rhythmic drum-based street dancing and colorful parades. Rooted in the 13th century bond between Malay settlers and the indigenous Atichar, the festival's name, meaning to be like Miati, reflects deep respect for their heritage. The street come alive with the Sagsag street dancing, where performers in tribal-inspired costumes move to its fractious drumbeats in the stunning display of warrior spirits. Beyond the dance, the festival features religious processions, concerts, and street parties embodying the warmth of Filipino hospitality. More than just a celebration, Ati-Atian unites history, devotion, and community by the expression of color, sound, and craft. Beyond the spectacle, Ati-Atian is a reminder of who we are, passionate and deeply connected. So raise your voices, move to the rhythm, and shout it back. Viva Quezon Santo Niño! This is more than just a festival. It's a legacy, a story, and the living, breathing expression of what it means to be a truly Filipino. And now, as the final drum is played and chants beats into the wind, introduced. Ati-Atian is not just remembered, it lives on, dancing in the hearts for generations to come. This is ABMA bringing the sights, the sounds, and the soul of Ati-Atian.
Iba yung isa lang, iba yung isa lang, iba yung isa lang.